Let's check what is alternate segment theorem. Given is a circle with chord AB. From point A, if we'll draw a tangent, then this angle between the chord and the tangent, let's assume it is alpha degrees. Then as per alternate segment theorem, the angle subtended by this chord in the other segment will be same alpha degrees. Let's check the proof of it. Let's join the center to point A and to point B. OA and OB both are radius of circle and hence they will be equal in length, and thus the angle opposite to them will also be equal. So this angle here A will be equal to angle P. This full angle is 90 degrees, and thus this remaining angle here, it will be 90 minus x, and this angle is equal, so it will be 90 minus x. By angle sum property in triangle OAB, we get angle O as 2x, and we know that a chord subtends twice the angle at center as it subtends on the circumference in the same segment, and thus angle C here, this will be x degrees, and that's our proof. I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you in next video. Till then, tata, bye bye.